So as we can see, gold, we have now a wick down. It didn't start to push up yet, but we can keep the same buy and the same sell. The same buy mainly because if we break the resistance, we should resume up all the way. Otherwise, if we break down, إذا كسرنا below the low of the previous candle, and tomorrow, this candle today will be the previous candle. Okay, so if we break below this candle, we can go to the 4-hour chart. It will be more clear, and we can have a certain double top. If you can see one top, double top, and then this double top can push the candle forward down, as you can see here. So the sell will be around this level. Sell ممكن يكون بهذا الليفل تقريبا. Short position around this level. If we have this double top for tomorrow, it will be 1666. Stop loss 1669, 30 pips stop loss. 1665, the TP1 scalp. 1662 TP2, 1659 TP3, and 1655 the TP4. If we have this double top, إذا قدرنا نعمل هذا double top, ممكن نكمل نزل. We have a clean traffic here on the left, and this double top can push the market forward down. Okay, this is an interesting level for gold. Otherwise, we can have the push up as we talked before. I will get back to US30 because I missed it with the recording. So as you can see, the US30 here is still pushing up for all this day. As already we have an update. Almost, this is the high. If we close here, we have the buy for tomorrow. We need to open, makes a wick down, and start to push up. It will be around 32,730. برجع بقول لكم we have to see where it will close today. بدنا نتأكد وين رح بيسكر اليوم لحتى نقدر نحط الريزيستنس. We need a wick down, and then once it start to push up, it will be up. We are still going up for the 5th wave. As you can see, today it pushed up and made a wick fill. For the sell, I will leave the same one because I believe if we break the support, we'll reach first target 38.2, second target the 50% of all the move up, and third target, it will be the 61.8%. Okay. As for the oil, US oil. US oil also trying to push more up. Okay, we had a very nice sell today. If you go to the 1 hour, as you can see, start to push down, opened with this gap. This all the part. على هون سكرت بس على الانتي 4 كانت مبينة عشية. But at the same time, look, breaking, يعني closing this gap all the day. لاحظوا, first candle here, second candle pushing up. If you have also the buy from 91.12 with stop loss 90.40, which is the low of this candle, this is the gap close trade. We had it all here. Here, this gap, it went all and closed all the gap, retrace down and start to push up. Now we have this entry, and this will be very interesting. This is the high of this candle. It reversed from it like a dodgy star. Also, we had an opportunity for a dodgy star, open, wake up, and then the sell 92.92 and till now 92.22. But if we go to the daily chart, we can see that if we close here, wick down, and start to push up again, we are still resuming into the 5th wave. بعدنا عم نكمل بال5th wave. صار عندنا resistance 2 times hit here. So here the third time it should break at 93.87 the buy, 93.87 الشروة. Stop loss 93.32. 93.97 تي بي 1 94.39 تي بي 2 95.48 تي بي 3 والفول تارجت 96.97 بيكون للويف 5 الطلعه مع ستوب لوس على 93 تقريبا 93.40 تقريبا. اوكي as for the sell اما بالنسبه للبيعه we estimate this support now, support and resistance at the same time. As you can see, we have this resistance here, this support here, this resistance here. Now breaking these levels will be interesting for a potential sell. إذا فتح عمل ويك up عمل ويك fill وعم بيكمل نزلة. We have a clean traffic also for this. So the sell can start around okay guys, trying to be smart. Okay, so the sell will be around 90.23, stop loss 90.60, 90.13 TP1 scalp, 89.33 TP2, 88.48 TP3, and the full target may reach around 86.40 for the sell. Otherwise, we can keep the sell from the weekly overview. Now we have two cells. صار عندنا اثنين cells. أول cell والثاني لأنه هلا صار عندنا new wick down. بتلاحظوا low هيدي السيكونس طالما مكملة بالويكس it will be an interesting one. تترجع تكمل طلع for the fifth wave, especially that news says it should resume up. We go for the GBP JPY. I will all start today. GBP JPY open, made the wick down and start to push up, breaking 167.25. It pushed up all the way and still pushing up till now. Imagine. Very nice trade today on the GBP JPY. If we close here, it's same like داو. نفس الشيء مثل الداو. كان عندنا تريد كثير حلو على ستالينيان، عمل ويك داون وكمل طلعه. نفس الشيء مثل الداو. If it closes here, open, makes a wick down and start to push up again, we have again a clean traffic هون. عندنا كمان clean traffic من هون. Once it opens, makes a wick down and start to push up. Look here, might have all this push up. Okay, we still have a clean traffic. Yes, but now wick down, of course, don't forget the wick down always. Look, and then we keep pushing up. So the new entry can be around 168.93. It depends where it will close today. Stop loss around 168.30. Okay, the entry 168.90, 169 TP1 scalp, 169.50 TP2, 170.15 TP3 swing, and the full target can be almost around 171.12, which is a nice target for the push up that we might have. Hella, if we go to the lower time frame, also we are still pushing up, but here we have a new support at this level. مثل ما شايفين صار عندنا support جديد بهذا الليفل مع انه عم نكمل طلعه. We have CCI percentage R also on the 4-hour, almost getting to the overbought area. So if we start to push or to reverse, most probably we must see the sell starting, the first sell starting from this level. شوف first sell عم ببلش يبرم من هيدي الميلة from around 167.40, stop loss 67.70, 67.30 TP1 scalp, 66.72 TP2 scalp, a swing 66.15 TP3, and the full target 167.65.26. This is the first sell if it reverses. يعني إذا بلش يبرم يكون عمل الرد تبعه على النزلة اللي نزلها. هيدي النزلة كلها. لاحظوا هون بناخذ فيبوناتشي. already عم بقرب على 61.8 وعلى 70%. so ممكن من هون already على 50% وصلها اليوم. إذا كمل لفة ونزل بيكون اللفة اللي بده يعملها up. عمل الريتريسمنت وعم بيكمل نزلة. بنبلش بتاني سيناريو. Always we must have two scenarios. The buy scenario and the sell scenario. We must watch them ونكمل ندفع عليها. So it's very important to have many scenarios. والفول sell بيكون حسب ما حطيتها بالweekly overview the same. So now we have a new potential trades other than the trades that we have on the weekly overview. And we go now for the Euro USD. Oh, what a push up on the 4 hours. Euro USD reached again 1.0024. 1 candle, 2 candles, 3 candle, 4 candle, 5 candle, 6, 7, 8. Guys, I think we are very close from a reversal on Euro. I know that the dollar is getting weaker after all this push up, but also هيك حالة اليورو رح بيكمل طلعة أكيد، ولكن بده يعمل ريتريسمنت قريبة عشان رح يسحب لل1.05 فرد سحبة. So I don't know if it's tomorrow, after tomorrow. We'll see, but mainly if it reaches this level أنا رح أقول لكم شو رح بيصير. If we break this resistance which is 1.0106 مثل ما قلنا we will have the push up. It's on the weekly over. Now I will go with you on the lower time frame, which is the 4 hours. And in my experience, this is something just can be taught by experience, okay? In my experience in this, if and only if one condition, the euro dollar keep going up on the 4 hours, ضلوا طالع على 4 hours, and reach this resistance, which is around here, 1.0080, 1.0080, we might have a sell sniper entry. A sell sniper entry with a stop loss, and it will be the sell one time once it hit it at 1.0080. Stop loss 1.0105, around 25 pips almost. You can put it even 1.0110 to be more safe. And then the first target will be 1.0070. TP2 1.0050, TP3 1.0020, and TP4, this resistance here will be around 0.9980. Okay, this is a sniper entry reversal, because look back and tell me when the euro dollar almost went all this way up one candle. Let's remove this. It's nothing, this one, the red candle. We have almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and now it's the 11th one. And imagine it goes up. I would love to see it going up till this sniper. And I think once it keeps pushing up, it should reverse at some point. Okay? Perfect. So always don't forget the stop loss. Okay? Always don't forget the stop loss. This is on the 4-hour chart. Here we have on the 1 hour also, it start to do the divergence. بلاش يصير خطرة بالdivergence on the 1 hour. هلا عادة ما بناخذ نحن divergence عن 1 hour، بس انه it can be يعني هيك مثل observation to start checking will it be done on the 4 hour. كمان 4 hour صرنا بالاوفرسولد بالاوفربوت على السي سي اي برسنتج ار وقرب الار اس اي. كمان في احتمال نبلش نرد سوينج، يعني نعمل at least retracement. Even if after this it will keep pushing up. يعني لو حتى كمل طلعة بعدين, but I'm saying as a reversal. So it will be a good sell, by the way, the euro dollar. Okay, so this is it for the euro dollar. And last, we will have the GBP USD also taking all the way up. كمان look, it took our buy and kept pushing up one time. لاحظوا مش انه رجع ضرب stop loss. And that's why I always tell you, when you want to trade, trade in the right way with the weekly overview that we have. It broke up. حتى فيكم ما تاخدوها من الاول، فتحت عملت ويك داون، عم تكمل طلعه، بتاخدوا الويك فيل وبتضلكم كاملين طلعه. The daily result was good. You go to the lower time frame, it's still pushing up. We have this big resistance here. هلا also if it keeps pushing up till this resistance, هلا we'll move here. Now it's still pushing up. We got the buy. Of course, we secured positions, and now we might have يعني هون ما بقى فينا نشتري صراحة، لأنه اللي اشترى بضل فيها. أنا personally I'll be looking for another buy up if it reach up this level. يعني هون صار عندنا الديلي إذا بيكمل لهون بيفتح بيعمل look down بيكمل طلعة. Breaking the high of the previous candle can be a buy, but also at some point as a short-term trade, let's show this trade. Also, if we reach one time this, look these candles 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. إذا كملت 11 12 and we reach this level, also we have a sniper entry around this level with a stop loss around like 40 pips. أقل حتى 35 pips you can have it. The entry will be around 1.1618, stop loss 1.1652, TP1 1.1608, TP2 1.15890, TP3 1.1560, and TP4 around 1.1516, which is a retracement. يعني شو قصدي فيها? I will draw it. What do I mean by this? That we might have this push up and then retracement, and look at this retracement can't reach 115 here and then keep pushing up. It's very normal. So this is usually what the market does. هيدا عادة اللي بيعملها المارket. If there is no huge news or very big news, you can check the news on these currencies. So most probably, if it resumes up, we might have these sniper entries. It will be interesting. As for the buy, we'll have the buy from 1.1655, stop loss 1.1620, TP1 65, TP2 1735, 1810 TP3, and 1870 TP4 to keep pushing up. Okay, guys, this is our studies for this day. I will just check fast the Bitcoin, because yesterday in the weekly overview we forgot. Okay, but we still are in the same study. يعني we put it on the same study. It took the TP1 and then now it's reversing. TP1 taken. It's reversing. Okay, we have to increase this back up. لاحظوا هالمرة مش عم تكسر كتير عالي البيتكوين, by the way. Every time it's breaking the previous high so far, but it's breaking it by small, not by big time. Small. Okay. Yes, so we have 21,526 the next buy, stop loss 21,238. TP1 21,670, TP2 21,826, TP3 22,691, and TP4 24,100. Okay, this is for the swing. Guys, many updates. Take care of the euro dollar, the GBP USD, even Dow. We have very potential for the next days. Don't forget, ما تنسوا أنا تطلع على Discord discussion. الفوركس توك هي بس تبعتوا ستاديز مع تفسيرهم، discussion تتناقشوا هول الستاديز. ما بقى حدا يعمل discussion على الفوركس توك كل الوقت هيك رد وجواب ومزح. discussion تسألوا اللي بدكم إياه. خلينا نتابع كل هول السوينج تريدز تبعنا من خلال الديسكورد تشانل وتكونوا عم تستفيدوا بشكل أساسي. تومورون على راد اللانش تبعنا هون بمصر، ولكن رح يكون عندنا لايف سيشن نرجع بنكمل بشكل مهم. بعد الباي على let's see US30 بدك تشوف شو رح تسكر اليوم إلي. يعني شوف اليوم تسكيرتها على الساعة 12، ما تعملوا شي تريد اليوم. شوف تسكيرتها تنطر تتعمل ويك داون بكره شوي وهي عم تطلع تكون حطيت الريزيستنس على الهاي تبعها. اوكي بدنا نشوف شو رح بتسكر بعد في ساعتين للماركت. يمكن تسحب تسكر فوق، يمكن تنزل بيكون نفس الهاي بقي مع الويك، ساعتها بتاخدوها هي ذاتها. ديل. اوكي يا جماعه، يعطيكم الف عافيه. Thank you guys, love you so much. This week we have many opportunities guys. ما تروحون. Scalp it's amazing we are doing it. بس كمان ركزوا على السوينج منيح لأنه عم بيجيبوا نتائج كتير حلوين. يعني في عالم بيشتغلوا سوينج على الحل، في عالم بيشتغلوا سكالب على الحل. قرروا أيهم فيكم تشتغلوا اثنيناتهم، بس اتليست ما تهملوا شيء كرمال شيء، وخصوصي ما تهملوا السوينج لأنه كتير مهمين. اوكي، يعطيكم ألف عافية guys. See you on the road.